Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got a silk press here right at home. So if you guys want to see how I went from this to this, then stay tuned. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I did use the Bio Silk Therapy. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and a heat protectant silken agent. I like to use products like this whenever I'm silk pressing my hair because they have silken agents in there, and I feel like that's the key to getting really silky straight hair. Whenever I'm pressing out my hair, I like to do the chase method on each section of it. Chase method is basically when you use a rat tail comb or a fine tooth brush and basically chase with the flat iron to make sure that the hair is getting super straight. You guys can see the steam coming from off of my hair or the smoke coming from off of my hair, and that's because I have the Bio Silk serum on there, and I also sprayed heat protectant Chi, and I'll put that up on the screen, and I'll list all of these products down below as well, so if you guys would like to try this hairstyle at home, you can. As you guys can see, my hair is super thick, so I like to work in very small sections whenever I'm using the flat iron. Smaller sections, I feel like the better that the heat can penetrate every strand of my hair. I also like for my hair to have body to it, so as you guys can see, as I'm getting down towards the ends of my hair, I'm bumping the flat iron or turning the flat iron in to give myself a bump, because I don't really like for my hair to be super duper flat. I like for it to be flat at the roots and then have body throughout the hair. So yeah. And I don't really have a particular way that I work and part my hair. I really just work in small sections, and I love a middle part. So that's what I'm going to be doing, a middle part, and just working in small sections in between. So now I'm just using a wax stick from Care to just tame down some of those flyaways. And if you want your hair super duper flat here up at the top, then I would recommend, after using the wax stick, going through with maybe like a hot comb or something. This is the final look. It's really giving. My hair has grown so much over the last few months, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys love the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, besties.